Welcome back friends. Today we will do the installation of Mabox Linux Earthbolt edition. So let us start. The Mabox Linux distro is based on Manjaro, so we will use a Manjaro template. Click next. In the resource allocation, we can take it to 4 GB of RAM. The disk size is okay at 26.8 GB. Let us hit the create button. Let us boot with the proprietary drivers. So it is inheriting this great thing of Manjaro that you can boot with the proprietary drivers right from the beginning. So most of the issues, graphics issues will be resolved. Then other hardware issues like incompatibility of the hardware to run the Mabox system will be resolved right from the start. So it is a big relief for the user. So we are now booted into the Mabox desktop. It is the desktop is based on OpenBox. It is heavily modded. So let us start the installer. The installer is there in this panel at the top. So single click is not work. Okay, it is working. So let us start the installer. It is a Calamars installer, so it will be very easy for the users to install the system, and it will be fast also. So the local is perfect. We choose checkout. If India is there, yes, India should be there. Yes, let us go with the India with rupee keyboard. Let us go with the manual partitioning. Partition table, let us use the GPT partition table. Select the free space, create MB boot partition. Use the boot flag. It is done. Now create another partition, 8 MIB. Keep it unformatted. It will be for the BIOS group. Select the BIOS group. Done. Now again select the free space, hit the create button, use 4000 MIB, select the file Linux swap system and use the swap flag. Done. Now the final partition, that is the 16,164 MIB, that is 16.16 GB of extended 4 file system. We can change it. So the options available are ext2 3 4, then the ntfs is there, razorfs, xfs, jfs, btrfs is there, loops is there, xfat is there, nilsfs is there, LVM2 is there, file to file system is there, loops2 is there, and file2 is there. So let us do something different this time. We will go with the journaling file system this time. Okay. Then select the mount point. Then select the flags. So yes, the root flag is there. Done. Now we can go ahead. Okay, done. Now we will use a short name. We will use a short easy password for the review purpose. Is done. Use, so the system is now giving the option either to use the password, same password for the administrator account, or else the root account will be different from the user account. So what we'll do is we'll make the uh, user Sam as part of administrator account group. So we will click on this. So this makes Sam a part of the administrator account group. Now we will select next, and you okay. I mean, we will not select the login automatically without asking for password. Otherwise, it will shorten the security of the system and possess risk for the user. Now let us hit the next button. Now it will give a summary. Time zone set to Asia Calcutta. Time set to English India. Date and number local also to English India. Keyboard will be generic 105 key PC, and the keyboard layout is set to India English, India with rupee. And this is the partitioning summary. So GPT partition table, yes. On the HDD, 300 MB partition. On the hard disk, flag 300 MB ext4 partition as boot. Create a 8 MB partition on the hard disk. 8 MB unformatted partition is flagged as BIOS grub. Create new 4000 MB partition on the hard disk and flag it as Linux swap. Create 16164 MIB partition on hard disk. Flag the partition as root and use the file system JFS. Set up new extended partition with mount point /boot. Install Mabox on new JFS file system partition. Install bootloader on the hard disk. So now finally we have to click on the install button. It will ask for a reconfirmation. Select again install now, and now you have to lay back and wait for the system to complete the Okay, we are done with the installation of Mabox Distro. Uh, we will stop here. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the Mabox Linux distro. Thank you very much for being with us during the installation. See you in the next video. Bye.